What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, man. Welcome back. We got NCTU Rain Day music video. We checked out some of NCT Dream. If you are a big NCT fan, I do want to say that. But anyway, if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, give the video a like. It really helps boost it, and I appreciate the support. But I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting. I'm curious to hear this. A lot of y'all been recommending more NCT for the channel, so I'm gonna try and start digging deeper into them because I know that their whole group is huge. So anyway, let's get into this. Ooh. Dog. Hey, what's up, my boy?
Take me to the place.
Ooh.
2 hour days where we had space and a little more time here.
Yo, this beat is like, I don't know what that is.
2 hour days.
They're like wah, wah, wah. I don't know, but this sounds really cool. And honestly, this sounds like it might be an all English song, which is very interesting. I like the vocals I'm hearing so far.
Take me to the place. 2 hour days where we had space and a little more time here.
My boy posted up with the dog. I love it.
But we should never change. And no time to waste. Spending no hours dreaming of you. Like the rain falling down for you and I. All these memories in my mind, I can't help but fantasize. I don't wanna feel it pouring down on me now. I realize every moment that we've had was a blessing.
Oh, you hearing them background vocals? You hearing them background vocals, my boy? Listen up. Oh, that.
Like the rain falling down for you and I. All these memories in my
Where's it at?
mind, I can't help but fantasize. I don't wanna feel it
Oh, I went back way too far.
in my mind. I can't help but fantasize. I don't wanna feel it pouring down on me.
It was a little there. It was a little there.
Every moment that we've had was a blessing in disguise. I wanna feel it. All the days how big or small, how close, how far.
You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, baby.
So is this like the vocal group of NCT, or is there multiple ones? Because I feel like we hearing all vocals. And I assume this is only 3 dudes, maybe 4. It's not a lot either. Man, I need to find somebody to look at me the way this dog looking at my boy right here. Yep. It's rough out here. Like,
Days how big or small, how close, how far.
You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, baby.
Take me to that place.
Put it down, let it go, feel the love. All the voices singing out in the radio. We better turn it up for a minute, up for a minute. Oh, yeah.
Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about a
Baby,
night.
you should realize I'ma be there whenever you're needing me, always.
Down all night, on that way to you, 'cause I'm needing you right in my eyes.
it says NCT Lab, and then it says NCTU. I wonder if that's like a section of NCTU. Man, why they got so many sections? They got me confused. Is there only 3 dudes? I don't know. But this man right here, he's got like the deeper tone, which is really cool because it goes so well with the other ones, vocal wise. But we got the summertime vibes, man. Summertime vibes on an all-time high with this video right here. This is perfect for like the season.
For a minute, up for a minute, oh yeah.
Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about a
Baby,
night.
you should realize I'ma be there whenever you're needing me, always.
Down all night, on that way to you, 'cause I'm needing you right in my eyes. Yeah.
Going crazy on the guitar.
You, baby, girl, make me better.
way you got me higher.
When the rain starts, you end up on my mind.
I don't wanna be missing you every day and night, losing my sleep. I won't let you go.
Little beat switch up.
I've been waiting to tell you how I'm feeling.
Man, I tell you what, if you have headphones on, they kill these ad libs because they're just giving you that little taste. Like it's like you got salt and they're just like throwing it in there on the recipe, on the little dish, like the food that they make it, bro. They just throwing in these little things like ear candy. It just adds like the little things that you need
Tell you how I'm feeling.
into the background, bro.
How big or small, how close or far.
You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, babe. I can feel the drip drop, we're falling like a rain show. Listen up so I can be the one to, yeah, show you how to love.
Falling down
Such a vibe, this video too, man.
I don't care about the
Baby, you should realize I'ma be there whenever you like, for you always.
all night. On my way to you, 'cause I'm needing
Yo, this going on the Spotify.
The rain got me thinking about the days we've had. I need to know, baby.
all night. Take me back to you, just take me back to you. When it rains, I'll be waiting for
Yo, I gotta hear them live too. I gotta hear them live. Like I don't know if they performed this song yet, cause I am a little late checking this out. I ain't gonna lie. But like the vocals, I'm very curious to see how the vocals sound in real life, like in a live performance with dancing or anything that they doing versus the studio version. I am, but I definitely feel like I need to check out more NCT. I've kind of been sleeping on them. Like that's been me. My bad. We gonna step it up with it.
Take me back to you, just take me back to you. When
The rain's a vibe too.
take me back to you, when rain is falling down all the time.
Every time we go
The fireworks too.
All night,
What is the cake for? I missed that part.
it's falling down all the
I don't think there's anything special with it.
time we go.
falling down all night.
Yeah, that's hard. These are the people that's in it. So I do think there was only 3 people from NCTU. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the names because y'all know I'm gonna get them wrong. But let me know what you think. What else do y'all want to see? I'm gonna let this finish playing out. They're the same industry, like entertainment company as aespa. I believe that's how you say that, which is cool. SM Town. But man, y'all been sleeping on this too, though. This came out July 19th. Y'all been sleeping on this. Y'all need to go run up the numbers for NCT. But let me know, what do y'all want to see next from them? It doesn't have to be NCTU or NCT Lab or anything. It can be any of them. We've done some NCT Dream. I really like their stuff. Definitely have been sleeping on NCT. Gonna need to check out some from all the groups. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this. Like it, all of that. Run the numbers up, man. And then go watch this video right now. After you get done with this, go give this video a like or something. Go support them, because this is definitely, again, this is an underrated song. This go hard. This got beautiful vocals, beautiful vibes, great video, everything that you really need. But yeah, I ain't gonna make this too long, bro. Subscribe, like I said, socials on the screen. Patreon coming September 1st, and streams are coming soon as well. So if you want to support me, or if you like the content, stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing a lot. But yeah, other than that, it's been your boy Jay, and I'm gone.